All right, good people. So this is Maxi Mabula, a civil engineer and / structural engineer, aspiring structural engineer. So I'm going to be telling you what structural / civil engineering involves. This is one of the things that we do as civil engineers and structural engineers. We do earthworks. Earthworks, it's when you cut into the soil and fill it, or when you remove the soil and fill it, or when you just fill up the soil to a desired level. This is what you call earthworks, and that's part of civil engineering. Civil engineering has a lot of branches. There's a structural branch, environmental branch, geotechnical branch, which is soil, and other branches like transportation and so on and so forth. So talking about civil engineering, if somebody asks you what is civil engineering, just say whatever trim that you have that's physical and that involves environmental change or impact, that's civil engineering. By environmental physical impact, I mean the roads, the houses, the bridges, the tunnels, water tunnels. That's what civil engineering is. So this is what we do on the regular basis. This is what we do. We analyze, we design, we make sure that everything is healthy and everything is good for you. It's been your boy, Maxi Mabula, aka the civil engineer. Thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.